my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So my fiance got me this REVAIR as one of my Christmas gifts, and it comes in this big box. It says hello beautiful on it. The box is pretty heavy, and when you open it up, it's this blue teal color. It says prepare to be amazed. If shook is what you're going for, we've got you. REVAIR, open me, has their little QR code. I washed my hair maybe like an hour or so ago, so it's a little damp. And ooh, it comes with a lot. This is like my second time opening the box. I haven't used it yet. So it comes with instructions, quick start guide, free products are waiting, something on the back. And I think he actually got this from the REVAIR site. I'm not sure, but I know they sell it on Amazon as well. And another card that says, you know, thanks, we're here for you if you need help. Their email, chat, talk, support, operating manual. This seems like a lot. Oh, what is this? Looks like it comes with some free product samples. So hydrating leave-in conditioner, cleansing oil shampoo, and a deep conditioning treatment. So this is the wand. It comes in this black stocking cover. Looks like this. And then the base controls your tension level. This thing is heavy. Right there. Something just fell out at me. This must be the filter and the cord. Let me put this box down. Ooh, so heavy. Oh crap, there's something underneath it. This was also in the box. What is it? I probably should have looked up a video on this before I opened it and tried to do all this. But I'll figure it out. Oh, this is the hose. This operating manual has some safety instructions and everything else you should probably read before you use it. I'm just going to go to the quick start guide and follow along with the filter basket aligned and insert it into the base. This is the base. Now I'm going to put the filter in by aligning it like this. Boom. See that? This little piece down here? Click in place. I'm gonna take the hose, right? Gonna insert this little piece right here, like that. Put it like this. And then lock it in place. Oof, that was a little difficult. So I turned that to lock it in place up here, like that. And turn it. Oof. Okay, so it's locked in place. Woo. Now, attaching the wand. While holding the wand in one hand and the hose in the other hand, align the key on the hose with the groove on the wand. I was talking about this. Gotta take this off. Like that. Right? Oh yeah, that's locked, so put it on there. Twist. Locked. Okay, got it. That one was easier. The wand rest. What is that? It's a bonus wand rest. The wand rest can be installed on either side of the base unit. What wand rest? Found the wand rest. This is a lot. So like this. The wand rest. And this, you can put it there, like that, or the other side, up to you. Put it there. So it says wash hair, towel dry, detangle strands. REVAIR works best on clean, towel dried hair with a light leave-in product applied. Do not put products with sticky fixatives prior to rubbing. Do not oversaturate with any product or water to the point of dripping on or in the device. Okay, my hair is not that wet. It's not detangled. All right, let's plug it up and see what happens. Let's think I'm just going to put my hair up and get a little section out. I need to get the section out first. So I'm going to use this little section of hair just to see. It's at the tangle it. It's pretty much the tangle. Yeah, so this thing is a little heavy. I'm just going to show you what it looks like when I turn it on. So it does that, and then you can do whichever level you want. So let me just show you. You hear that? So there's that. It says begin by setting your reverse air tension to level 2 or lower. Increase the speed level until you find your ideal tension. It says kinky, curly, well, coily kinky, average section time 60 to 90 plus seconds. I guess we're just gonna do the thing. I'm scared. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, so it did something. Let me grab another piece of hair to show you the difference. So this is the hair that hasn't been blow dried yet. This is the one that was. I'm gonna try it again. I think I wasn't supposed to be circling it like I was, but let me try again. So it doesn't feel dry all the way at my root, but it looks like this. Let me read over the instructions one more time. I think I'm gonna increase the level, the reverse air tension level. I think I'm gonna go with 4. The tension can go from 1 to 7. I'm gonna try 4. So that's something. My roots still feel a little wet. Maybe I'm not doing it right on the root. This side feels more dry. This side still feels wet. If you still have a bit of dampness or texture, repeat until hair feels dry. Let me do it again. Okay, that time I did it on 5. And it feels dry. Just a little thick, but not bad. Maybe I should put on a different colored top. Not bad. So it looks like this so far. Alright, I'm gonna try another section. I think I'm gonna try it on 6 this time. I am doing smaller sections too. Okay guys, so I was testing some different levels of tension and heat, and I think this one works for me. So I'm going to tell you, I take a small section of hair, and then I detangle it. So this is what it looks like before. I don't know where that glare is. That glare is bothering me. Okay, so I put the base on 6, and then I press the higher level, the 2, like that. And I hold it on my hair for about 30 to 40 seconds. So let's look at it. It's straighter. It's dry. It does feel a little hot on the roots though, but definitely straighter and dry. And holding this can be a little tiring, like just holding it like that. I mean, that's the same way with blow drying your hair though. I feel like I would get someone else to do this. Like, I'd probably get my fiance to do this. But I'm gonna finish. Okay, so on this side, I was doing like 30 seconds, high heat. So this is high heat, the circle is no heat or cool shot, and then the one is low temp, or the eye or the one. And on this side, I was doing 60 seconds, high temp, and as you can see, it's a little straighter and elongated than this side. Ignore the fact that I need a trim, I know. But yeah, just showing you. So I'm just gonna finish it out. So far I like it. I mean, it does get my hair more, you know, detangled and a little straighter. I mean, it's not gonna get bone straight. That's not what I was expecting. You know, I do have kinky hair. Do I prefer this over blow drying? I think so, yeah. I'd say it's easier. You do have to find your setting and what works for you and what you like. Because I know sometimes if I do it too close to my roots, it feels too hot. Or if I do a higher setting, so you'll just have to do what works for you. But yeah, so far, I think it's good. I think as I do it more, I'll really find what I like and hopefully get it to look a little better. And I don't have any products, so I didn't put any product or heat protector or anything in my hair. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done. I would say that sometimes it was shut off or like slow down, and it says, should a section of hair be too large in volume, the heat chamber will shut down, indicating the section size should be reduced. But I felt like it was doing that on sections that were already small, so maybe I needed to detangle it more or put it in the wand differently. I don't know. Some pieces of hair got a little straighter than others. I do need a trim, so that could be why. Some of my ends didn't, you know, straighten too well. But my hair is dry. My roots are dry. The hair is a little bouncy. And I think it did good for my first time. Maybe after this video, I'll watch some other videos with hair similar to mine and see how they did it and what settings they used. I would say my arms aren't too tired, but like holding it like this for like 60 seconds and stuff, a little tiring, but easy. I mean, it's easier than blow drying with one hand and combing with the other, or even when I have a blow dryer with a comb attachment. So I mean, that's tiring too. And it took me about an hour to, you know, blow dry my hair. I don't think that includes the setup time though. I'm trying to think how long it normally takes me to blow dry my hair. I feel like it takes me longer to blow dry my hair than to do it this way. And this is my first time, so I feel like as I do it more, I'll do it quicker. I just think I could do a little better. If that means holding it longer on my hair or something like that. Oh, I wanted to show you what the filter looks like. So this is what it looks like. Remember, it was clean. Not too much hair per se. I'm gonna have to look into how to clean these and replace them and whatnot. I'm gonna have to find some place to store this. It is kind of big. Just gonna show you the back of my head as well. Let me know what you thought of the REVAIR and if you'd get one. And thanks so much for watching. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me, and I'll see you next time.